Hello parents and students! Today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate in my classroom website. And the first thing you're going to see is the welcome page, which is just a welcome message to begin you in my class. The next thing we're going to do is click About Myself. And this just gives you a few facts about me and some pictures. The next thing we're going to click on is Assignments. This page will show you all the future assignments that your child or you will have. And at the bottom we have a file which you can download, and this will give you a printable paper that way you can have a hard copy of all the assignments that you will have. The next thing we're going to do is click on the calendar, and this is another way to view your assignments. I will post any notifications or any things that come up, that way you can see and have a set date for them. Next we have study tips. On this page you will find a video that you can watch, and that will give you good tips on how to be a successful student throughout the school year. We also have these links which lead you to websites that will help you study. The first one is a link to a map quiz website, and the second one is a website that gives you some facts about history and you could take a quiz on it. And lastly, we're going to have Contact Me page. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me through my email, which is located right here. And that is it. I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you for watching.